The fourth item, the one that I particularly am really looking forward to seeing how it really functions. I'm not really looking forward to disposing anything. That's Skanda and Jaden and Jaron's job. I just want to know how it functions.
We can
Here
give you
is
some compost for your garden.
Nature's Head self-contained composting toilet. It's got a container for number 2 and a container for number 1. We did a lot of research on this item, and we're going by all the feedback and everybody's. Apparently, even the people with Class C's are buying these, right, Skanda?
Class B.
Class B's are buying these. So
Especially van conversions. Seems pretty simple. It's in one piece. I thought it's going to be a lot of pieces. So very simple. I didn't have to put a lot of things together.
So
Now the fan, they did email saying the fan is already installed into one side. I guess if you want to install, yeah, it's actually these two fans actually, one this side and one this side. I see.
that's the venting out the smell
Yeah.
out. So that goes outside, right?
Yeah. So this is.
I
very-
thought this was the spindle.
Yeah. So no, this is what opens.
Oh, okay.
Right? Opens and close. And
Here's
this is the
the
tea bottle.
yeah.
So this one have to. Oops. Gotta lift it. You have to,
Unlock.
I guess you have to lift this whole thing. Oh, actually, you have to lift. You have to lift and slide. Ooh.
Two.
I get like this. Okay.
That side.
Yeah. Not bad for the time. Definitely, when hooked up everything, you don't want to be messing up. Okay, so these are the things that's coming with. So is
Is this a venting tube?
yeah. So this is the venting tube that actually goes onto the top part
Right here.
right there.
And then it
And
goes
then-
outside.
Then there is, I'm sure they would have given clamps. Okay, I see this is going to the other side. So this had to go onto the other side, and you screw it somewhere, this side of the wall on the vehicle or bottom. I'm sure it would. I will have to go through the manual to see. They would have recommended way of installing.
To get the
Best
venting.
venting. Yeah.
They
This one
even
is-
gave us a spray bottle.
Yeah. This one is, I think, a cap or something. And this is the power to hook up. The fan power. Fan power. Trying to see where the fan power. Oh, it's very tricky. The fan power is this. You gotta check this out. So
Here is
the fan power is right here. It's very hard to see. I thought it's another screw.
My husband doesn't have his glasses on either.
Yeah. Okay. So actually, I had to correct. I said there's a fan this side and this side. No, the fan is only on one side.
What
This
is
side it looks like there's a vent, so there's no bugs can't come out, and so there's a mesh. So I saw it's like a fan when you look at through here. So
Oh, yes.
yeah, there is a mesh and a grill. It looks like almost like a fan grill. It's the same grill, they have it on the fan side too. So I thought it was a fan. So I put this on side. Now here is the P tank. It's quite big. I don't think we will fill this one within 2 days, right?
No.
Let's see. We're not like.
You never know.
Yes.
We'll find out
Yeah.
how much we pee.
And this is the piece that goes on the side. That would be easy to install. Let's see. Let's put it together. I have to lose this and then tight, and then tight this lock nut again, because I wouldn't be able to. Yeah, okay, yeah, probably, yeah, I got it. But I need a tool to tighten the nut. Okay. And then you have to tighten this, not a hand tight, but tight with with a tool, and then you'll be good. So that's to spin, and then it does the composting thing, and it's all nicely sealed. And take this one out. And this one goes like this first. It had a slide here first.
There we go.
And then this goes like this. And then you latch this side and this side. So these two latches. So when you're using, the P tank is always open. P tank is always left open.
How about if your pee escapes from there to here? Then what happens?
I guess then it'll mix a little bit. Actually no, if the pee gets over here, it's also slides onto that side.
Oh, okay.
So that's how it's been designed. See, there's a hole. You can see my finger through here. Yeah. By the way, this is brand new, so I can touch anywhere right now.
I was going to say the same thing. I'm like,
Yeah.
we can only do this
Yeah.
this time, okay?
Yeah.
Next time it will be used.
It's very interesting mechanism. Like, I thought, looking at a lot of the videos, I thought it just slides back, but it's actually drops down and goes like this. So I guess if anything touches, stays here, so it falls too, right? And then you have to,
Oh, so what you have to do is you have
like,
to
you have
remember.
to keep like this and then clean, and then you have to close it. And whatever you clean over here, it's kind of going to get
Clean is just for pee. After you pee or poop, you
yeah,
clean it.
yeah. So
And
one
then it
thing I'm
goes.
thinking, which I didn't know when I was buying, if you, after you do the number 2 job, if you're spraying, anything left over here will get washed and get mixed into the P tank. So if that's happening, it's best to always wash the P tank all the time.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
say a couple of days. You have
Yeah,
to,
you will
every
probably-
other day you'll need to empty the tank.
Empty the tank and also put bleach and
Rinse
wash the
it,
P tank. So that way the number 2 doesn't get mixed with it, because if number 2 gets with the number 1, then it's like a sewage, right? So
Okay.
so that's it's pretty interesting, and it's apparently it's a very high demand item, and it's built pretty good. And
So we
so
bought
far it
this
looks pretty
directly
good.
through Nature's Head website.
Yeah.
But they have a few
We'll put a link
other-
down.
Yeah.
We don't get any commission or anything. We are not affiliated with anybody. So, but we'll put a link below.
Yes. Okay. Thank you for watching.